Hello everyone, welcome to another sound light activation. So I invite you to take some time out now or save this for later. So please take some gentle and deep breaths and calling on the highest and the holiest to be with us here now. So we take this time to come into presence, into peace, into love, into deep connection with Creator, with Source, with our true self. So as you bring your awareness to your breath, really welcome yourself exactly as you are, with all your thoughts, feelings, emotions, body sensations. And sense, imagine, visualize that you are under a column of golden light coming from our sun, connecting you deeply with the earth. And then the energy from the earth is coming up, and you are becoming like a conduit between heaven and earth, activating our knowing of ourselves as sacred beings. And before I play the sounds to activate the light, I just want to read a few words from a wise holy woman from the 16th century. She was born in 1515, Teresa of Avila. Extreme bolts of light exposing really dark corners. Extreme bolts of light exposing really dark corners. This magnificent refuge is inside you. Enter. Shatter the darkness that shrouds the doorway. Be bold, be humble. Put away the incense and forget the incantations they taught you. Ask no permission from the authorities. Ask no permission from the authorities. Close your eyes and follow your breath to the still place that leads to the invisible path that leads you home. Close your eyes and follow your breath to the still place that leads to the invisible path that leads you home. So breathe in those words as we activate our love, our light, our vibration, our peace in these times which are very challenging for many of us. Bringing kindness, compassion, holding steady, not getting caught up in the fray. Activating love, light, compassion. you, everyone. Remember, hold steady, and whatever challenges you're facing, never give up. Remember, you are being held and you are being loved, and much is being released in this time, and much, much love and light is here. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and much love to you all. Have a good week.